Question 1. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Show how you found the slope and the y-intercept. Do not skip steps. Box final answer. So when we're trying to write equations in slope-intercept form, please remember that when it says slope-intercept form, that's y equals mx plus b. That's our y-intercept. That's our m. So first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find our m. So we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 in the numerator. In the denominator I have x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I'm going to go ahead and put my subtract sign in the top and the bottom, and then I just have to substitute 2 points. This will be 0.2, this will be 0.1. The number on the bottom it's not that important. Okay, so I'm going to choose 1, 3 first. 3 goes on top because it's y, and the x value that goes with that y is 1, so 3 over 1. So I'm going to take this as my next point. Again, I have many choices, but I think 7 and 2 is easier to deal with. So I'm going to put 7 over 2. 3 minus 7 is negative 4, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so 4 over 1, and then that simplifies to 4. Again, you can use 4 over 1, but 4 is an integer. I think most students prefer whole numbers to fractions. So I'm going to use 4. Now my next thing, I have to find my b value, but to find the b value we're going to go back to slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. I already found out that my m is 4, so I will substitute 4 for m. I'm going to need to substitute a value for x and a value for y, and then when everything is said and done, we'll be able to solve for b. And then when we know our b, we'll combine it with our m. Done. So I get to choose any point. I think out of all these numbers, 1, 3 looks the easiest. So 3 is my y value, so in goes 3. 1 is the x value that goes with that y, and there we go. So 3 in parentheses simplifies to 3. 4 in parentheses next to 1 is multiply, so 4 times 1 is 4. So the equation simplifies to 3 is equal to 4 plus b. Then we'll subtract 4 on each side. And on the left, 3 minus 4 is negative 1. On the right side, the positive 4, negative 4 cancels, and that simplifies to b. So now I have my b value of negative 1. So we're going to go back to slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to write y equals, well, my m value here is 4, so I'm going to replace the m with 4. Don't forget your x. Every once in a while I still see this. And then my b value, so this plus b, well, in this case it's going to be a subtract b. So that's the equation right there. And let's be sure that we box our final answer, and I can put that in there. Let's see how we do. Y equals 4x minus 1.